How to use Player Fusion in eFootball Mobile, eFootball Player Fusion tutorial. Now, Player Fusion in eFootball lets you transfer experience points or XP and additional skills from a donor player to an upgraded target player. To use this, let's open up eFootball and go to My Team and let's go to Players. We can select a donor player from the list. So let's say this is our donor player right here. What we will do is we will select Player Fusion after we select that, and we want to select Player Fusion candidates. So we will select one of the other candidates that we want to use for Player Fusion in this case. So once I have the candidate selected, I can just tap the next option right here, and I can just confirm with some skills and tap the Fusion button and perform Player Fusion using GP, and this player will be erased from my team. So once you have that confirmed, just select that GP and the Player Fusion will be successfully complete, and acquired progression points will also be automatically allocated. This way you can use Player Fusion in eFootball Mobile. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.